Hello, it is the second to last week of our summer term of biotechnology. This week we're going to be talking more about the application of biotechnology in the environment, and specifically we're going to be looking at genetically modified organisms and sustainable farming as two options for biotechnology. So the essential questions that we're going to be asking this week are: how can cloning be used to repopulate and conserve ecosystems? How can genetically modified organisms serve the needs of growing populations? How can we use existing technologies to address habitat crises? And then finally, what ethical considerations do we have to consider as we develop cloning and GMO technologies? The live session this week, To Clone or Not to Clone, will be a Socratic discussion in which we discuss the ethical concerns and the scientific theories behind cloning. It is a duplicate session, so you only need to attend one. The other key assignments for our 6th week include to participate in a discussion about the labeling of GMOs, genetically modified organisms. We're going to create a persuasive blogger post that argues for the use of GMOs or sustainable agriculture. We're going to collaborate to develop a solution for a declining habitat using a technique that we've discussed so far in the course. And then we're going to develop a new application for the project or company that you researched for the biotechnology evaluation paper. Please continue to use the weekly agenda or pacing guide, the weekly checklist, and me as resources to make sure that all of your work is completed in a timely, efficient, and acceptable manner. I look forward to seeing you in the live session this week. Thank you.